Hello, my name's Abby and I am a DIY expert. Today I'm going to show you everything you need to do before installing your shutters from DIYBlinds. Just so you know, you'll need around 20 to 30 minutes for this installation. And for large shutters, especially those which are off the ground, we recommend having a second person to help you. Firstly, you need to make sure that your window, floor and hands are all very clean.
Then, scan the QR code on your product box. This will take you to the DIYBlinds website. Please make sure all the pieces in front of you match the list on that page.
If they do, you're good to go. If not, contact us on 1300 918 390.
Now get the following tools ready. You'll need a step ladder, a metal tape measure, a cordless drill with a Phillips head and 3mm drill bit, a gap seal applicator gun, a spirit level, a pencil, and potentially a stud finder.
Before drilling into any surface, there are a few things you need to work out. If you're drilling into wood, you should be fine to start. However, if you're drilling into plaster, you have two options. The first option involves using a stud finder to locate where the wall studs or battens are. The second option is to use Ramset 10mm hollow wall anchors, as these will help secure your shutters to the plaster. You can also fix into concrete, stone, brick or tile as long as you use a masonry drill with the appropriate plugs, anchors and screws. Once you're 100% clear, please continue. But if there's anything you're not sure about, give DIYBlinds a call before going any further.